Let's save the Earth. The Earth is a unique planet. On 22nd April, we celebrate Earth Day and thank Allah. It is a day to remind ourselves how trees help us and how we should behave more responsibly towards them. Do you know, centuries ago, over 50% of our land was covered with forests? Today, while 30% is still covered, only 1/5 of the original natural forest remains. In Pakistan, 5% of the total land area is covered by forests. Children can play an important role. Let each one of us try to make our Earth greener and a better place to live. Let us promise to plant more trees on every Earth Day. Save water. Turn off the tap while you brush teeth or wash your face. Turn it on only to rinse. Save electricity. Switch off all lights and fans when you leave a room. Do not litter. Throw waste in a dustbin. Remind your parents to get their vehicles checked regularly so that pollution can be controlled. Try riding bicycles. Walk or use carpools while traveling short distances. Use paper and cloth bags for shopping and say no to plastic bags. Serve only as much food as you can eat. And if you have excess food, give it to the poor. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water. There is still hope and time to correct the wrong that has been done to our Earth.